In this lecture, we start our chapter 8, Introduction, Trigonometry. Now, example here, example 1. Given tan A is equals to 4 by 3. Find other trigonometric ratio of the angle A. We have given tan A. Then find sine, cos, sec, cosec and cot. Tan A is equals to 4 by 3. Triangle ABC, angle B is equals to 90. Tan is equals to, the angle of tan is equals to opposite side upon adjacent side. Here angle tan A, then angle A's opposite side is BC and adjacent side is equals to AB. Therefore tan A is equals to BC upon AB is equals to 4 by 3. Here we have given ratio. Therefore BC is equals to 4K, K is a constant number. Then AB is equals to 3K. BC is equals to 4K and AB is equals to 3K. Now find AC by Pythagoras rules. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Then we find AC square is equals to 4K square plus 3K whole square is equals to 25K square. Therefore AC is equals to, we find here AC is equals to 5K. Here we have three sides, 3K, 4K and 5K. Now sine A, we find here sine A. Sine is equals to, we know that sine A is equals to, sine A is equals to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Therefore sine any angle, here angle A, therefore sine A is equals to, in this question sine A, what is opposite side? Opposite side BC and hypotenuse is equals to AC. Therefore we write here sine A is equals to BC upon AC, 4K upon 5K, 4 upon 5. Sine A is equals to 4 upon 5. Therefore its reciprocal is cosec A. Sine and cosec both are reciprocal each other. Then cosec A is equals to 5 by 4. Otherwise you put formula hypotenuse upon opposite is equals to 5 by 4. Find cos A. Find cos A. Then cos A is equals to, here cos is equals to, now cos A is equals to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Which side is adjacent side of A? Adjacent side of A is equals to AB. AB upon AC. Then 3K upon 5K is equals to 3 by 5. And sec is a inverse of cos, otherwise or sec and cos both are reciprocal of each other. Therefore sec A is equals to 5 by 3. And suppose you have a right formula, then sec A is equals to hypotenuse upon adjacent side 5 by 3. We have given tan A is equals to 4 by 3. Therefore its reciprocal cot A is equals to 3 by 4, reciprocal or inverse we say. We know that sine, cos, tan. Therefore its their reciprocal are, reciprocal of sine is equals to cosec, cos is equals to sec and tan is equals to cot. We write 3 formulas, then write other 3 formulas using this. Now, example number 2. If angle B and angle Q are acute angles such that sin B is equal to sin Q, then prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. In triangle ACB and PQ are B and Q are equal angle. Sin B is equal to sin Q, therefore sin B is equal to, we have side AC upon AB. Sin B opposite upon hypotenuse, AC upon AB, and sin Q is equal to PR upon PQ. Here given that sin B is equal to sin Q, therefore put value AC upon AB is equal to PR upon PQ. We take here AC upon PR is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to K. We take formula, we take invertendo, AC upon PR is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to K. Using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square, therefore BC square is equal to, using Pythagoras rules in triangle ABC, we have AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. We find here BC. Therefore, BC square is equal to AB square minus AC square. Therefore, BC is equal to under root AB square minus AC square. Therefore, using Pythagoras theorem in triangle PQR, we get QR is equal to PQ square minus PR square. PQ square minus PR square. We take ratio BC upon QR. BC upon QR is equal to under root AB square minus AC square upon PQ square minus PR square. Put value AB is equal to KPQ. And here AB is equal to KPQ, AC upon PR. We have here AC upon PR is equal to K. Therefore, AC is equal to KPR, and similarly, AB is equal to KPQ. We put this formula in K square PQ square minus K square PR square upon under root PQ square minus PR square. K is common part, then PQ square minus PR square upon PQ square minus PR square. Therefore, BC upon QR is equal to K. From result 1 and 2 we get AC upon PR is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon PR. By SSS criteria for similarity, ACB similar triangle PRQ, and therefore angle B is equal to angle Q. Again this sum, first we prove sin B is equal to, we have given sin B is equal to sin Q, then put value sin B is equal to AC upon AB and sin Q is equal to PR upon PQ. Therefore, AC upon PR is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to K. Result number 1. Using Pythagoras theorem, BC is equal to under root AB square minus AC square. Using Pythagoras theorem in triangle PQR, we have QR is equal to under root PQ square minus and BC, taking ratio BC upon QR, and we get BC upon QR is equal to K. From result 1 and 2 we say that AC upon PB is equal to AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR. Therefore, by SSS criteria, both triangle is ACB similar triangle BRQ, and therefore angle B is equals to angle Q. Now example number 3. Consider triangle ACB right angle at C, which AB is equals to 29, BC is equals to 21 and angle ABC is equals to theta. Determine the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta. In triangle ABC, angle C is equals to right angle. We draw here. Put value AB is equals to 29, BC is equals to 21. Then Pythagoras rules. AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square, 29 square minus 21 square, 841 minus 441 is equals to 400. Therefore, AC is equals to 20. We get here AC is equals to 20. All sides we have given. Now angle ABC is equals to theta. Angle ABC, that means angle B is equals to theta. Find cos theta and sin theta. First we find cos theta is equals to, here we get angle AC, the side AC is equals to 20. Side AC is equals to 20. Therefore, sin theta is equals to AC upon AB is equals to 20 upon 29 and cos theta is equals to 21 upon 29. Sum of both square. Find cos square theta plus sin square theta. Here sum of both, here it is sin minus not plus, here not minus plus sin. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 21 upon 29 whole square plus 20 upon 29 whole square. Then 441 upon 841 plus 400 upon 841 is equals to 841 upon 841 is equals to 1. Then we get cos square plus sin square is equals to 1. Now second number, cos square minus sin square theta. 21 upon 29 whole square minus 20 upon 29 whole square. Then we get 41 cos square theta minus sin square theta is equals to 41 upon 841. We get here cos square theta minus sin square theta. Find the values. Cos square minus sin square is equals to 41 upon 841 and cos square plus sin square is equals to 1. We prove here. We get value. In this question, first we find third side AC is equals to 20. Then find sin theta, cos theta and put value in both result. We get sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 and cos square theta minus sin square theta is equals to 41 upon 841. Now example number 4. In a right triangle ABC, right angle at B. We draw figure here. If tan A is equals to 1, then verify that 2 sin A cot A is equals to 1. Tan A is equals to 1. Therefore, tan A is equals to, tan means opposite side upon adjacent side. A angle A opposite side is equals to BC and adjacent side AB. Therefore, tan A is equals to, here tan A is equals to BC upon AB is equals to BC is equals to AB. Some positive integer for K is equals to AB is equals to BC is equals to K. AC is equals to, we take K or any value. Then AC square using Pythagoras, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, K square plus K square, 2K square, therefore root 2K or K root 2. Here we have side taking BC is equals to K. BC is equals to K, AB is equals to K, and AC is equals to, we get root 2K. Now find 2 sin A cos A is equals to A. Sin A is equals to opposite upon hypotenuse, K upon 2 root K. Opposite side is equals to BC upon AC, then root 2K, here not 2 root K, here root 2 into K, then K gone, sin A is equals to 1 upon root 2. Similarly, cos A is equals to K upon root 2K. Therefore, cos A is equals to 1 upon root 2. Now, 2 sin A cos A is equals to 2 into 1 upon root 2 into 1 upon root 2. Root 2 is equals to 2. 2 into 1 upon 2 is equals to 1, which is the required value, or it is equals to left hand side. We have right first left hand side is equals to 2 sin A cos A. Put value 2 into 1 upon root 2 into 1 upon root 2. Then we get root 2 is equals to 2. 2 into 1 upon 2 is equals to 1, which is required value. Now, example number 5. In triangle OPQ, right angle at P, OP is equals to 7 cm and OQ minus PQ is equals to 1 cm. Determine the value of sin Q and cos Q. In triangle OPQ, we take Pythagoras. OQ square is equals to OP square plus PQ square. Put value OQ is equals to, here we have given OQ is equals to OQ minus PQ is equals to 1, therefore OQ is equals to 1 plus PQ. Put value in this theorem, 1 plus PQ square is equals to OP square plus PQ square. 1 expand of 1 plus PQ, 1 square 1 plus PQ square plus 2PQ is equals to OP square plus PQ square. OP is equals to 7. Put value 1 plus 2PQ is equals to 7 square is equals to, here put value 1 plus PQ square plus 2PQ is equals to OP square. OP square, that means 7 square plus PQ square. Here PQ square opposite side gone, then minus, then 1 plus 2PQ is equals to 49. 2PQ is equals to 48. Therefore, 2PQ is equals to 48. Therefore, PQ is equals to 24. PQ is equals to 24. We get OQ is equals to 1 plus PQ. 24 plus 1, 25. We get here side PQ is equals to 24. PQ is equals to 24. Then we write here PQ is equals to 24. PQ is equals to 24. We write in bracket. We write here, not margin. PQ is equals to 24 and OP is equals to 24. 1 plus 1, 25. Here it is 24. Then sin is equals to sin Q and cos Q. We find here. Find the value of sin Q and cos Q. Sin Q. Q is here. Therefore, opposite upon hypotenuse 7 upon 25 and cos q is equals to adjacent upon hypotenuse 24 upon 25. In this question, first we convert this value OQ minus PQ is equals to 1. Therefore, OQ is equals to 1 plus PQ and put in Pythagoras result PQ square OQ square and value. Then we get PQ is equals to 24. OQ is equals to 24 plus 1 25 and find sin q cos q.